Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Rally across global markets following encouraging US GDP data, a declining unemployment rate, and the prospect of additional stimulus from China to energize its economy, along with record high global markets across. And in our market, strong FIIs inflows are going to add fuel to the up move in the market. To start with our first segment for Friday, 27th of September 2024, Nifty index opened above 26,000 zones and continued the positive momentum in the first hour of the session. It was followed by consolidation midday, and the last hour saw a strong action from the bulls, where the index touched a fresh all-time high of 26,250. It closed with gains of around 200 points and gave the highest ever closing. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame after a range breakout of the last 3 sessions with higher highs formation of the last 6 sessions. India VIX was down by 6% to 12. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.37. All these factors are just adding comfort to the bulls. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,800 to 26,600, while immediate range is in between 26,000 to 26,400. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 630 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,505 crores. FIIs indexed long-short ratio increased to 80%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 26,150 for an up move towards 26,350, then 26,500 levels, whereas supports are placed at 26,100, then 26,000 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,000 for the next up move towards 55,000 levels, while support can be seen at 54,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in most of the sectors across board. Now, positive setup can be seen in stocks like DLF and Oberoi Realty from the realty space. From the power, we have Tata Power. From the auto and auto ancillary pack, we have a few names which includes Maruti, Motherson, Apollo Tyre, M&M and Bajaj Auto. From the metal pack, which has been in action from the last 1 week, is Vedanta, Nalco, NMDC, Tata Steel and Hindalco. Last but not the least, from the NBFC space, we have N Finance, Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance, while some weakness could be seen in Crompton, Voltas and Bharat Forge. Wish you a super trading day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.